Friend, now we have to start lesson 6. I think you have completed your lesson 2 in your fair book because already 5 or 6 lecture we have completed in lesson number 2. Now easy lesson related with the 8th standard that you already learned in 5th, 6th and 7th, that is square and square root. We have to discuss now. आज हम लोग क्या डिस्कस करेंगे? स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट. So before start with square and square root, first of all we have to understand what is the meaning of square. So square means whose length and breadth has equal, that we already in geography or in maths geometry. Area of square. Area of square. So we can say here it is a square whose length is also 4 and side is also 4. So side into side, we can say length of the side. So area of square is equal to side into side, that is reference it square. So side into side we can say side square. So it is left with the square and square root. So if someone has say that side is 1, then area of square, that is why we can say square and square root. So 1 into 1, that is 1 square. 2 into 2, that is 4, that is 2 square. 3 into 3, that is 9, 3 square. 5 into 5, that is 25, 5 square. 8 into 8, 64, 8 square. Now if unknown n number is then, if you write n, then n into n. So I have to write n square. N into n, that is n square. So now which numbers are square we can say? So here 1. So that is why in your homework daily, when we started this 8th standard, I am explaining every time in homework it is given that you have to write 1 to 25 square. आप लोग को 1 to 25 के स्क्वायर डेली 1 मंथ तक लिखने चाहिए to improve your maths, because it is a important lesson related with 6. In chapter 6 we have to now understand square and square. So I think mostly now understand what is the meaning of square. हम लोग को square पता चल गया, square किसको बोलेंगे. Now we have to remember 1 to 25 square anyhow. So which are the square digit at here? Which are the square digit? हमें कोई पूछेंगे कि भाई इसमें square digit कौन सा है? So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 3 dot are known as square numbers. So someone asked in 1 to 10, how many square numbers are there? So 1, 4 and 9. How many numbers are there? 3. 1 to 10, 3 square numbers. Someone say from 10 to 20. 10 to 20. How many square numbers are there? So we can say only one number, that is 16. Only one number. Someone say 20 to 30. Someone asked to us, कोई हमें पूछेगा भाई 20 और 30 के बीच में स्क्वायर नंबर कौन सा है? 25. So वो भी only one. Now 30 to 40. It is also 1. So if we will go through 1 to 100, अगर हम लोग 1 to 100 के अंदर कोई पूछेंगे how many square numbers are there, तो only 10. Which are they? I am writing here 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, बोलो 49, फिर 64, 81 and 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are all the square number. So I think you have now understand how many square numbers are there and which are called square numbers. We are discussing about the square and square number, not a square root. That we are discussing the next lecture. Today's lecture related with the square and square number. Now some property related the square number. Square number की properties कौन सी? So first of anyhow you have to remember 1 to 20 square. मैंने आपको बोला था कि कैसे भी करके 1 to 25 के स्क्वायर आपको लर्न करने का है. So that you have to write again is a homework. You will see 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 15, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121, 12 square. Now what is a common between it? If you will see that unit place 1, 1, 4, 4. So if I will write 21 8 here, then answer in unit place it is always 1. Unit place में 1. If I write 31, 961, 31 square is 961. So again unit place is 1. So unit place is 1 when 1 is 1, 4 is 4, here 9, unit place is 9, 6, unit place is 6, 5, unit place is 5, 25 square is 625. So unit place is 5, 6, then 6, 26 square is 676. 49, 7 square is 49, unit place 9, 9, 4, 4. Now it should be repeated. You will see that 1, again 1, 4, again 4, 9, again 9, 6, again 6. If you will see properly, again here it is also like that. If you will see properly, हम लोग पर यहाँ पे चेक करेंगे, पहले इसको रब करेंगे, फिर यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इसमें क्या यूनिटी है, प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है, तो के ओनली सम डिजिट्स. नाउ चेक करेंगे, देखो 1 तो 1, 4 4, 9 9, 6 6. So you will see that यहाँ पे दिया गया है what are the ending digits, the digits on the ones place or we can say unit place of square number. All number this ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 at unit place. कोई भी नंबर वर्ल्ड का ले लेंगे. If I will write 75 square तो यूनिट प्लेस में क्या आ जाएगा, ऑलवेज 5, 5 5 जा 25, 7 8 जा 56. So 5 6 2 5. तो यूनिट प्लेस इज 5. Never comes ends with 2 3 7 8. अगर if you will see that 1 to 20 के स्क्वायर या 1 to 25 के स्क्वायर में यूनिट प्लेस में कभी भी 2 3 7 8 पॉसिबल नहीं है. So if I will ask that it is a perfect square number, we can say yes, it is. But if I will write that 577, it is a perfect square number? No, we can say no. Why? यूनिट प्लेस इज 7. जिसके यूनिट प्लेस में 2 3 7 8 है वो कोई भी टर्म का स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं हो सकता. क्लियर एवरीवन? दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंट. ये गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स में भी आ सकता है और जीके बेस में भी बहुत जगह पे पूछा जाता है कि यूनिट प्लेस में कौन से नंबर से ही पता चलता है कि इट इज ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. तो यूनिट प्लेस में हम लोग कौन सा नंबर करेंगे? ओके 2 3 7 8 होगा तो वी कैन से नो. 2 3 7 होगा तो वी कैन से नो. 0 1 4 5 6 9 होगा तो वी कैन से यस. नाउ कैन वी से वेदर द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स आर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे क्या है 7, वी कैन से नो. यहाँ पे क्या है 3, वी कैन से नो. यहाँ पे क्या है 8, वी कैन से नो. We can 9, we can say yes. 1, we can say yes. So always 0, 1, 4, 6, 9 and 5. 0, 1, 4, 6, 9 and 5. Other 2, 3, 7 and 8, they are not a digit. So we can say yes and no. Now one more property related it. और अभी up to 30 we are writing. कहाँ तक आ गया? 30 तक we are writing. 1 to 30 square. Anyhow you have to remember. So 1 to 10 square always 1, 1. So 1, 4, already we know that 1, 4, 6, 9 and 5. 21 square 441, 22 square 484, 23 square 25, 30, now 35, 40, 45 and 50. So here again one trick, हम लोग आज एक वो भी ट्रिक्स हैं कि यूनिट प्लेस में 5 होगा उसका स्क्वायर कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो इफ समवन हैज 45 स्क्वायर तो 5 स्क्वायर यू हैव टू राइट 45, 25, 5 square is 25, 4 into 5 20. So here 2025. 35 square, if I want to write 35 square, then how I will write 5 square 25, 3 into 4 that is 12. So 1, 2, 2, 5. So now to do some more try sums we have to do. हम लोग थोड़े और सम्स को ट्राई कर लेते हैं. So here which of the following would end with the unit 1? इसमें से 1 at end with the digit 1, इसमें से कौन सा, जैसे 123 है तो उसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो यूनिट प्लेस में क्या आ जाएगा 9 यूनिट प्लेस में. 77 स्क्वायर यूनिट प्लेस में क्या आ जाएगा अगेन 9. 82 स्क्वायर यूनिट प्लेस में क्या आ जाएगा 4. 161 स्क्वायर 161 स्क्वायर यूनिट प्लेस में आ जाएगा 1. एंड 109 स्क्वायर यूनिट प्लेस में आ जाएगा 1. सो जब 1 और 9 है यूनिट प्लेस में उसके स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 1 मिलेगा. जब यूनिट प्लेस में 1 और 9 होगा तो उसका स्क्वायर करेंगे वी कैन गेट 1 एंड 1. सो यहाँ पे ये 2 डिजिट है उसमें हम लोग 1 करेंगे, बाकी में 9, 9 एंड 4. Which of the following number would have digit 6 at unit place? So हम लोग if you will see 6 at unit place, यहाँ ये पूरा लाइन 6 square 36, 16 square. So here 19 we can say no. 24 yes, 24 again 4 square 16, 14 square, so 4. So 4 and 6, 24 square, you will see the 24 square, so we can say yes, we can say yes. 26 square we can say yes. 36 square we can say yes. 34 we can say yes, but in 19 we can say no. यहाँ पर भी ये दो में yes, ये दो में yes, बाकी no, बाकी no. So you have to now start exercise 6.1, question number 1, 2, 3, all are on same base. So anyhow you have to remember 1 to 30 square and you have to write the important point related with it and try to solve yourself.